Today, I have a very special ASMR McDonald's Buffalo Ranch ASMR video. So, first, I have my bag. I just ordered this because I'm very hungry and it's at night. Hopefully it's all still warm. Wow, that's a lot of food. I have my fries. Let me try one. They're not quite as fresh as I wish they were. I have a snack wrap. I've never tried the snack wrap. This is the Buffalo Ranch snack wrap. Oh my god. Oh my god, it all just fell out on me. It's okay. It's okay, I saved it. But at least now we can get a good look on the inside. So, I guess I'll be eating the snack wrap first, actually. I was gonna eat it last. But everything happens for a reason. Okay. So this has the new Buffalo Ranch on it. I've never tried the snack wrap before. Or snack wrap. It just all fell out onto my lap, but I put it back in. As you can see, there's a tender in there. The tenders look good. I haven't tried the tenders yet. I have tried the McCrispy, and it was very salty. Okay, let's try this. I taste like a faint hint of spice, but I'm not sure what it is. So this is what the Buffalo Ranch looks like. This is what the new ranch looks like. It's a Buffalo Ranch. So, I think I'm gonna try this with the fries really quick before the fries cool off too much. Oh, did y'all hear that? All right. Okay. So let's get a good taste on this. It almost has a vinegar flavor. It's very delicious. It doesn't quite taste like enough ranch, though. Interesting. It's kind of like a lighter buffalo sauce. And I almost wish this snack wrap had a little bit more of it on there. I might actually add a little bit onto this snack wrap. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that looks much better. Much better. The snack wrap is good, y'all. That made it a lot better. Oh my gosh. Okay. going to come back to the snack wrap because I also don't want these to get too cold. So these are the McCrispy strips. And I have not tried them before. And my favorite thing is some chicken strips, y'all. If you know, you know. And, you know, if I go to Chick-fil-A, I don't go to Chick-fil-A anymore because they lowered their standards. But, wow. So these almost look like, you can't really see the color too well, but they're kind of like darker. They kind of look like steak fingers, almost. Okay, let's see. The new Buffalo Ranch from McDonald's. What? Hey, maybe that was a bad take. Let's see. Let's try again. It's very sinewy. It's almost like venison. I don't know about these chicken strips, y'all. The sauce is good, though. I don't know about those chicken strips. Yo. The snack wrap is very good. And it's not like offensive. It's not like, look at me too. The snack wrap is very good. The fries are good. Whataburger downgraded their fries recently. Made me very sad. Hey, maybe that was just a dud tender. Maybe, I don't know, these tenders, they kind of feel weird. Let's see. Okay. Much better, much more enjoyable bite there. So maybe that was just a dry tender. Okay. This tender's a lot more juicier. I think that there is some hope for these yet. None of that like chaotic pull that I was getting with the last one. It almost was like a finger trap. Okay. Interesting. They're definitely not the best tenders. I would still say the McNugget wins out overall. But this Buffalo Ranch, I mean, it's really good. It doesn't taste as much like ranch though. It's more of just a light buffalo sauce. Let's crack open another one. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Okay. One thing about me, people don't think I eat a lot. I eat a lot, y'all. I eat a lot. I really do. Because I'm a growing person. I'm still growing. I'm old and I'm still growing. It's really good with the fries. It doesn't really taste like anything though. It kind of just tastes. You taste that hint of spice. You taste a hint of spice. You don't really get much else. Too much else. Whoa. Whoa, yo. Check that thing out. It looks like a steak finger on the outside. Let's see. See, it's almost sinewy. I don't know, I've never had that from a tender before. I don't know if it's a good sign. I don't know about all that. So, it kind of has the same problem as the McCrispy, where the McCrispy is kind of just really salty and really fried, and it almost doesn't fit within the compendium of McD's. You know, McDonald's, you expect the best of the best. You can't poison that with something that's just like almost disappointing. Almost, it's not bad. But at the same time, I think that I would rather have just some McNuggets. And I should have just got some McNuggets, but I really wanted to try these new options. It's almost like they tried too hard for it to have like these strings and strands. That there's just no way that it's real, because it ended up making it feel more fake. Like, it doesn't look like real chicken, because I don't know if you can see, but there's a lot of space in between the strands. So it's almost like they put it all together like those stretch candies. If you know, you know. But, I mean, it's not bad at the same time. Interesting. I'm getting pretty full now. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I dropped that one on myself. This is kind of my cheat meal because this is kind of my cheat meal because I was struggling with back pain and leg pain, like almost like sciatica. I thought it was, for months, and it finally went away. And I'm very grateful for that. I feel like as though I've been released from a lot. And you know, I wanted to make this video because I was curious about this buffalo ranch. It doesn't taste like ranch. It doesn't taste like ranch, in my opinion. I don't think it tastes like ranch. I think what it tastes like is if buffalo sauce was invisible. That's really what I think it tastes like. Am I gonna eat this other tender? Oh, see, it's like, I don't know if I'll get these tenders again. They kind of freak me out. Let's see. Not the best tender. I would recommend their, don't do the McCrispy, don't do the tenders. You can do a snack wrap if you really want like a tender, because at least it makes it good. But I do recommend the tried and true of just the nuggets. The nuggets, you can tear the skin off. You can eat the nuggets. So good. Oh my gosh. These tenders are just a little inconsistent. Oh my gosh. I just ate a ton of McDonald's. I'm not done yet, but maybe I'll end the video here because I don't know. I might not eat all these fries. Yeah. And I might need to put these fries in the air fryer. I might eat them tomorrow. Because cold fries, you don't want cold fries. They're not cold, but they're not like hot. I think I'm full. I think I'm full. Overall, Buffalo Ranch, out of 5, I give Buffalo Ranch a 3.5. Due to the fact that it's not offensive. It's not a bad sauce. But at the same time, it's not ranch. Ranch. And to begin with, McDonald's doesn't have the best ranch anyways. You know, that's just the facts of the situation. The ranch isn't the best ranch. But it's better than this Buffalo Ranch. But the Buffalo Ranch, it adds a little bit of heat, but it really doesn't feel like anything. And I don't know. It might take me a while to formulate my opinion on it. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a wonderful day, y'all. Thanks. Thank you.